Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share on Discord using a Mac. It's a simple process and we'll walk through it step by step. First, join the voice channel where you want to share your screen. Once you're in the voice channel, look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see options to turn on your camera or share your screen. Click on the Share Your Screen button. A pop-up will appear, giving you two options. You can share a specific application or share your entire screen. Choose the option that works best for you. For example, select Entire Screen if you want everyone to see everything on your screen. Next, adjust your screen sharing settings. You can set the resolution and frame rate before going live. Note that higher quality, such as HD, may require a Discord Nitro subscription. If you don't have Nitro, the default resolution will work just fine. Once you've adjusted the settings to your preference, click on Go Live to start sharing your screen. Now, anything you do on your Mac will be visible to everyone in the voice channel, whether it's browsing the web, watching Netflix, or anything else. When you're done sharing, go back to the same Share Your Screen button and click Stop Streaming to end the screen share. And that's it. Screen sharing on Discord using a Mac is that simple. Thank you for watching.